Welcome back to Immigration Insight. The 494 visa is an excellent opportunity for skilled workers seeking to work in Australia's regional areas. By allowing the entry of highly skilled foreign workers, this visa aims to help regional businesses address skills and labor shortages. To take advantage of this opportunity, it's essential to understand the requirements, the application process, and the benefits of holding a 494 visa. Overview of the Subclass 494 visa. This video delves into the Subclass 494 visa, also known as the Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Visa. What is a Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Provisional Visa? Skilled workers, whether in Australia or abroad, can apply for the Subclass 494 Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Provisional Visa. To be eligible, you must meet the requirements for a position listed in the Regional Occupation List. Visa streams of a 494 visa in Australia. The Subclass 494 visa is divided into three main streams. 1. Employer-sponsored stream. This stream addresses skills or labor shortages in Australia's regional locations. With this visa stream, you can work and study in Australia for up to 5 years. The regional employer is responsible for finding and sponsoring qualified individuals to boost the local economy. Additionally, it offers a path to permanent residency after 3 years of employment in an approved vocation. 2. Labor agreement stream. The labor agreement stream is for employers with a labor agreement. Authorized businesses can use these agreements to sponsor skilled foreign workers when ordinary visas are insufficient to meet labor market demands. The agreement is negotiated between employers and the Department of Home Affairs. 3. Subsequent entrance stream. Family members of skilled employer-sponsored regional visa holders can apply under this stream. This visa allows you to stay in Australia for up to 5 years, during which you can work, study, or simply reside. You can also enter and depart Australia freely during this period. Eligibility requires having a family member who holds an Australian regional visa sponsored by a large skilled employer. Eligibility criteria for a 494 visa. Age requirement. Applicants must be under 45 years old. English proficiency. You must be able to communicate in English at the time of application. Skill requirements. You must meet the skill requirements for the nominated occupation and have worked full-time in that occupation for at least 3 years. Recent work experience. Work experience should have been obtained within the last 5 years, and a continuous job history is not required. Visa exemptions. Holders of bridging or substantive visas A, B, or C are exempt from the genuine temporary entrance criteria. How to apply for a 494 visa. The application process for an Australian visa can be challenging and stressful. Here are the fundamental steps. Prepare and arrange paperwork. Gather proof of identity, character references, health evaluations, English language proficiency exam results, and skills assessments. Submit your application. Apply online with an IMI account for a 494 visa. Stay updated. The Department of Home Affairs will contact you after receiving your application. Be prepared to provide additional details if requested. This video covers all the necessary information about the 494 visa. Please share your opinions in the comments section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thank you for watching, and good luck!